Alright, let us look at a question from arithmetic progressions. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11852. So let's write down the given AP. The given arithmetic progression is 11, 8, 5, 2, and so on. So the first term of the arithmetic progression is 11. The common difference is 8 minus 11. So common difference is negative 3. Now let us assume that minus 150 is the nth term, which we are supposed to find out whether it is a part of the arithmetic progression or not. We know the expression for a sub n is a plus n minus 1 into d. So substituting minus 150 in place of a sub n, we get a is 11 plus n minus 1 into negative 3. So first I'm going to send this 11 onto the left hand side. So this is going to become minus 161 equals n minus 1 into negative 3. 161 over 3 equals n minus 1. So which means n minus 1 is equal to, if I divide 161 by 3, this is 6 plus 2, 8. It is not divisible, evidently. Let's just go ahead. 3 5s are 15. So this is 3. 3 3s are 9. And then you get 2. So it's 53.6. And therefore n is equal to 54.6, which does not belong to natural numbers, because n has to be a counting number. The term must be 54th term or 55th term. It cannot be 54.6. So therefore our final answer is, therefore minus 150 is not a term of given arithmetic progression. So that is your answer. Now let's move on to another question. Find the 31st term of the arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So we have been given the 11th term. A11 is 38 and A16 is 73. This implies A plus 10D is 38 and A plus 15D is 73. Now the reason I'm writing A11 as A plus 10D is because any nth term of the arithmetic progression is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the standard formula for the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So if I am calculating the 11th term, this becomes A plus 11 minus 1 times D. Basically this is A plus 10D. That is how I've written A11 as A plus 10D, and similarly A16 as A plus 15D. Now we have two equations and two unknowns. We can solve them simultaneously. So we'll take A plus 10D is equal to 38 and A plus 15D is equal to 73. I'm going to subtract these two. These two terms get cancelled. Negative 15 plus 10 would give me minus 5D, and 73 minus 38 would give me minus 35, which would imply D is equal to 7. And from one of the above equations, A plus 10D is equal to 38, I could write A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38, which implies A is equal to 38 minus 70, which implies A is equal to negative 32. So we have the common difference is 7 and the first term of the AP as minus 32. We have been asked to find out the 31st term of the arithmetic progression. So therefore, the 31st term, which is given by a plus 30d, would become a is negative 32 plus 30 times 7, which would mean a31 is equal to 210 minus 32. Therefore, the 31st term would be 178, and that is the final answer.